Yes, next, today I'll explain about CorelDRAW. So CorelDRAW is a very powerful software, that too particularly it is vector based program, right? So it is a vector based program, and let us check the actual difference between Illustrator and CorelDRAW. It's very important before we're learning CorelDRAW, compare with the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so see this. This is CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator. The overall rating wise is 80%, right? And here it is 100%. It is more professional. Of course, CorelDRAW also more professional, no doubt in that. But comparing with the Adobe Illustrator, it has 80%, right? And the drawing tools in Adobe Illustrator, we have 100% drawing tools are there. In CorelDRAW, we have 70%, right? And interface is more flexible and comfort in Adobe Illustrator, 80%. If you compare with the Illustrator, in CorelDRAW, it is 70%. For beginners, suppose you are a beginner, you don't know Adobe Illustrator, then this is very easy to learn. So it is 100% easy to learn program, right? But if you are familiar with Adobe Illustrator, then CorelDRAW is very easy to learn, right? And here photo retouching. In CorelDRAW, you have 100% photo retouching capabilities are there, right? But in Adobe Illustrator, you don't have that much, only 30% only. If you want to touch your photos, retouching or editing, again we want to use Adobe Photoshop, right? But here in CorelDRAW, we have some capabilities to retouch your photographs. So that's why comparing with the Illustrator, it is 100%. And functionality is 70%. And in Illustrator, it is 100%, right? So functioning capabilities. And the price wise, is a similarity in both the softwares. It is 80% and 70% in the market price comparability. And the customer support, yes, in Adobe. So here every day, almost every week, they are upgrading their softwares, right? But here the support, customer support and all, it is 80% only, right? So, so what we are understanding finally, if you are a beginner, can use very easily, learn and use CorelDRAW very easily, right? So learn and use CorelDRAW very easily if you are a beginner. And after learning CorelDRAW, the Adobe Illustrator, you face it is a tougher than CorelDRAW, right? Suppose already you have a knowledge in Adobe Illustrator, then CorelDRAW is really very, very easy, right? Okay. So now open your program. Actually, this is CorelDRAW 2025. First, let's try to understand the first page, the start page. In all Adobe products, we have start pages, first pages, right? So in first page, we will understand about the file sizes, documents, and any templates, available templates, we'll understand, right? So here also we have, see, this is get started, is a new documents. When you click on this plus button, the new document will open. Here we have workspaces, different workspaces. Click here. Here the standard workspace here, it is a light, default, okay? And what are all these things? Suppose here, you click here on light. So here, the light workspace is ideal for new users who are getting started. It features a clean look and feel that is especially designed to encourage exploration in a friendly environment, right? So that is. And in default, the CorelDRAW default workspace has been redesigned to provide a more intuitive placement of tools and controls. This workspace is ideal for users who have experience with other vector graphics software as well as users who are familiar with the CorelDRAW, right? And this is for the touch. So touch means what? If you are using any pen tablets optimized for touch enabled devices, the touch workspace is ideal for field work and sketching. So complete your task by using touch, dial or stylus without needing a mouse or a keyboard, right? So here we can use this your touch pads or vacuum pads or any digital pen pads, right? So there you can use this mode, standard in standard this touch mode, right? And here this illustration mode. Nowadays this different modes are available here. The illustration workspace is ideal for users who are looking for an intuitive and efficient workflow to create book cover designs. Suppose you are working for a book cover designs, magazine ads, storyboards and other type of illustrations. See the name they have given, the CorelDRAW. The CorelDRAW means you can draw in this program. It is a pure vector based program, same like your Adobe Illustrator, right? So this is for the illustration purpose, and when you work for the book covers and designs, magazine ads, storyboards, we use this. The next one is page layout. The page layout, suppose you are planning for a book or any newsletters, multi-page documents, like the page layout workspace is optimized for users who are focused on the arrangement of graphic and text objects to create compelling layouts for business cards, branding materials, product packaging or multi-page documents such as brochures or newsletters, right? So this is very helpful, right? Yeah. So for the Adobe products, we have the separate software is there called InDesign, Adobe InDesign, but here in Illustrator we are using this layout, page layout, okay? And then this is Adobe Illustrator. Suppose here we are using Adobe Illustrator. So Illustrator look like Illustrator field. Suppose previously if you use the Illustrator software, and then it is very easy to handle CorelDRAW also, because you have already some experience on Illustrator. So here in CorelDRAW, no need to feel it is as a new software, another software. It look like same like in Illustrator, right? So this workspace has the look and feel of an Adobe Illustrator, helping Illustrator users to get started quickly with the CorelDRAW. So that is, you can choose this start page how you want to use. Okay, then come back to this default. I'm coming back to a default. Okay, yes, and here click on the get started button. So this is the get started button, and what all these mean? Document, new document is open, but here give it a try, drawing curves, and give it try. So adding shadows, drawing curves means the curve lengths, how to trace or how to add the point and curves. Here we can observe here, and for the shadows, colors and all, the disco the perspective packaging. So what will happen if you click on that? That will open the file and that shows you how it done, right? So these are, and here you can open the document, or otherwise new from template. So templates are there. Suppose if you click here, the templates are there. See, templates means what? A ready-made the sizes. Suppose you are preparing a happy birthday greeting card, you can take this in this size. Geometric business card, 3.5 into 2 inches. We already did in many softwares. We know this size. If you don't know the size and the design of the particular page, you can immediately click and you will get the size of this. When you open this, that will open, right? Those are all the templates. And here document settings. Okay, suppose let us see other boxes here. See, these are the favorites. If you click here, any favorites are there, or otherwise any recent items, name it in the categories wise. Book course, if you want, you can use this book course only that displays, and the brochures. So the brochures only that display. You can click and navigate that. You can use this, or otherwise if you want any, if you have anything, so get more. So you can get more brochure, flyer, templates, Okay, so that will cast something. Okay, so close this one, come back to document settings. Now these are your documents. See, this is a custom size, a CorelDRAW default size, and here the CMYK, and this is the legal one. So the letter, tabloid, government letter, this and all. So here, see, this is a A0 size. The A0 size is very bigger size, right? So you can cut the A0 size into half. You will get the A1, and cut into half. You will get A2, and cut into half A3, and cut into half A4. This is yours. And A5 mostly for the flyers and pamphlets, right? And A6 and A7. These are all the document settings. Okay. So in this, you can take any size. A4. I'm taking this A4. Okay. When you click on the A4, the name it is asking. You can give any name. Example I'm giving. Example. Okay. And the number of pages. How many pages you want? See this one. Same like in Adobe InDesign, here asking the pages, how many pages you want. But right now I'm not giving more pages, so I'm using for the example purpose. I'm taking only one page, and page a view, so a single page or a multi-page view. Okay, multi-page view not required, so all pages it is asking, but here we are using only one, so not required. Click to here only. And primary color mode, see here we have main color modes are CMYK and RGB, the default color mode, because the CorelDRAW mostly we use for the design, print design, graphic design, for the publication. The local printers and all, mostly they use this CorelDRAW. And where we use Illustrator, in Illustrator also we can use for all the printing job purposes. It is coming from the Adobe products. So mostly the corporate companies and big MNC companies, they purchase all the Adobe products. There your Illustrator products also include there. So because of the Illustrator is there, so they don't purchase the CorelDRAW, not required for them. But the local printers and the commercial, the businesses, commercial printing, small and medium sized organizations, they want CorelDRAW, right? That's it for all their printing needs and printing jobs. So there they use only CorelDRAW instead of Illustrator, right? So here the CMYK is the color mode. If you want, suppose you are working for the web graphics and all, you can use RGB. Here I am using CMYK only. Okay, and come to dimensions. Okay, so dimensions. Here see, it is showing in millimeters, the inches, millimeters, picas, points, and pixels, scissors, toes, feet, yards, miles, and centimeters, meters, kilometers, all the big file sizes, right? So but you can use inches. Okay, A4 size convert into inches, it is this. And the page orientation, the portrait or again the landscape. So here you can use that one. And this is a resolution, DPI, right, dots per inch, the resolution here. 300 maximum for the printing, or otherwise less than 300 for the web graphics and for the UI designing, right? So let us keep this 300 only. And the layout, see in layout paper type, so A4 size, here it is showing all the different sizes. Now see, legal, these are all, so legal, the same document settings, the displayed items again here showing the business card, broadsheet, double sheet, photo ID card, full screen, web banner, A4 size. These are all different paper sizes they are showing, right? And here again the bleed area. Okay, bleed area. What is a bleed area? So bleed area means the extra space we use for the printing time, for the cutting marks and that, right? So we'll discuss more clearly about this bleed area. Uncheck this and colors. This color mode. So use this CMYK color mode as it is. Okay, no need to change all these things. Yes, with this file, see, with this file size I'm using OK. It's looking like same like your Illustrator. something, the other side, then right side some changes are showing here. Okay, so first try to understand about this interface, right?